Hello all, this is a continuation of the previous video only. So in this video we are going to see the next basic thing in Python, which is control flows. So first we are going to see the conditional statements like if, else and else if. So what are the conditions going to do? For that we have made some two different examples to make an demo for the conditions. So for that, first example is checking whether a number is positive, negative or zero. So for that we are using the three conditions if, else if and else. So first we are making a number, and in that we only have to print the number, and it is in this case we have given the integer. So what is the integer and all? You can just view the previous series means you will just get what is the integer int. So it is enter a number, then we are checking whether the number we are entering is greater than 0. For that we are giving the if condition. So if it is greater than 0 means the output will be displayed as the number is positive, and if not means we have to we are giving another condition, that is else if. So if not, the number is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. So in that case we have to print the number is negative. Or else if again number it will be from positive, negative and also 0 is also a number. For that we are giving else. So else print number is 0. So already we have worked with 1, it is positive. Now we can just rerun the code, and now in this case I am giving -10, and now it will be displayed as the number is negative. And again we can just give 0 also. So in this case it will be given as the number is 0. So this is the difference between if, else if and else. Again we are giving one another example for this differentiation between else, else if and else. For that we are making of checking the student grade. So again we are determining a variable. Within the variable we are making the integer definition. So we have to give a grade, and it should be in integers only. So then we are making the use of if condition, else if condition and else condition. Here we are using three else if conditions. So else if condition, it can be used any number of times. So first we are checking whether the grade is greater than or equal to 0. So all the numbers starting from 100 to 90, it will come in this thing. Then we have to print A, and if it is between 90 to 80 means it will print B, then 80 to 70 means it will print C, and 70 to 60 means it will print D, and if not means it will print F. So likewise we have given every conditions. So for the this conditions and all we are using else if only. Now previously we have worked with 80, so we can just check with all conditions. So greater than 90, so 95 we can give. In that condition we will give A. Then 80, so 80, so here we have given integer only, so we can just check with not an integer. So like 81.2, and it is not an integer. Now you can see we have got an value error, since our value will just take only integers, and this is not an integer. So now we can again run the code, and in this case we can give some other number like 82. So in that case it will display B. Okay, now I am again giving some other things like 77. So now it will be given C. Likewise for different condition it will work. So this is the code for working with the conditional statements, that is if, else if, else. So else if it can be called a number of times. So in the next video we will be working with loops like for loop, while loop, nested loop and all. Thank you.